Here's how you can modify the images in the party game pages. If you scroll down to the first hint here, you can click on it and modify. Here my Google Docs is in French, but I'm sure you can figure it out. So this is a drawing. And what you would do is click on the image and delete it. And you will go choose the image that you want to choose or that you want to use as a hint. So you would select the image to import and click on it, open, and it will load here for you. Then you will select it, and now you can see that it's here in the drawing. The problem is if I bring it here, it's now on top of the red arrow and the blank out rectangle. So what we want to do is right click and say sort, okay, in French trier, sort if your computer's in English, and then put it in the background. So now when I move the image, I can see that it's behind the rectangle and the arrow. And now you want to cover the letter or the word that you want the child to find. So this is a picture of a little library that's in our neighborhood. And when we played the game, we used the word peace here that you can see. If it's too far, you can zoom in. So I'm going to zoom at 200% here. So what we want to do is we want to hide the word peace. So the kids would notice the image and want to look for the little library. They would recognize the image. So you can change the size of the rectangle just by dragging, like I just did here. Okay. If it's too thick, so here I wanted to just hide the word peace, you can drag this around a little bit. Here I can see that it's a little bit too big for the image that I have, so what you can do is just change the width of the rectangle to whatever you want, and then you can stretch it out to however big you want. So it's the second word, or it's this word, and it's let's say I wanted to use the letter E here, then I would say it's the second letter of that word. You can move the arrow around. If you want, you can also change the direction of the arrow. So I want it to point here to this word, and then I can just save and close. And you can see here that it's hiding the word, and in this case I would want to change this to maybe the second letter if I wanted the letter E for friend, the third letter of the secret word friend, and then I would also click here to remove the yellow, or you can just select the whole sentence to remove the yellow. And there you have it. That's how you can modify it so that it's your own picture.